Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly add application shortcuts to your desktop on Linux distributions using the XFCE environment. Let's dive right in. First, go to your desktop and right-click on any empty space. From the menu, select Create Launcher. This will open a configuration window where we'll set up our shortcut. Now, let's fill in the details. In the name field, type the name of the application. For this example, I'm creating a shortcut for Krita. You can also add a brief description if you'd like, though this is optional. Next is the command section. This is crucial if you are using an app image or a standalone executable. Click the folder icon to browse your files, navigate to where your application is stored, and select it. You can leave the working directory field empty. To make it look professional, let's add an icon. Click the default icon button to browse. You can choose from the system icons or select your own image file. Pro tip, for the best look, use a square-shaped PNG or SVG file. Also, keeping your icons in a dedicated folder will save you from hunting through complex directories later. Staying organized is key to a productive workflow. Before finishing, take a look at the checkboxes at the bottom. You can enable Run in Terminal if you need to debug or troubleshoot why an app isn't launching, or toggle Use Startup Notification so you know the app is loading. Once you're happy with the settings, click Create. You're all set. Just double-click your new icon and your program will fire right up. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more Linux tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.